Hi everyone, my name's DJBigDerek and today I'm opening this box, which is specifically a mystery box from YouTuber Tom Stefaniuk, who's a Canadian guy who likes sneakers and that sort of thing and vlogs I think almost every day, which don't know how it's time for all that. But anyway, it's a mystery box and you're guaranteed a couple of t-shirts and you might get a few other things, including sneakers. But I'll solve one mystery for you now. You're not going to fit US 12 size sneakers in this box, are you? So, no mystery there. I got my trusty knife. Let's see what we've got. Now, I'm notoriously bad at opening boxes, as you can see. Right, what have we got? So, t-shirt. Don't know, we'll open it. Unfortunately, this is the one I actually wanted. Now, if you can see, it's got a lovely ice cream print there with X's. Nice pop of pink. It's black, and I love black, obviously. So yeah, pretty happy with that. So next, we'll go for the next t-shirt next. I'll open this one as well. What have we got? Statue of Liberty with cross eyes. Again, pretty happy with that. I think out of the ones I saw online, there were, what, 3 t-shirts maybe, and there was one I didn't want, and I haven't got it. So, very happy with that. Now, we do have something else in here. Oh, that's nice actually. Little zebra Yeezy keychain, 350. Not one I own, but I have a couple of 350s, so nice little keychain. Would have preferred the real thing, but. And then we've got a nice little card. Thanks for shopping. Well, it was my pleasure. That's it. So, about the minimum you could get, but we sort of expected that with my luck anyway, with sneakers and all that. So yeah, 2 t-shirts, keychain. It was about £50 once you add the shipping and stuff like that. Came fairly quickly, solved the mystery, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.